Hello guys, let us see one more point regarding HTTP session with the cookies, that is advantages and disadvantages of HTTP session with the cookies technique. If you use HTTP session with the cookies to perform or to handle the session tracking techniques, or to perform session tracking or session management or session handling, then what are the advantages or what are the benefits and what are the limitations are available? So first of all, let us see advantages. So the first advantage is, so the client data across the multiple requests will be stored in the session attributes of a session objects on the server. So client data will not travel along with the request and response over the network during the session tracking. So this gives the data secrecy. So here I can say data security is available if you use HTTP session with the cookies. Next advantage is, in session attributes, programmer or developer can keep any kind of Java object as a values. So I can go for string, I can go for int, I can go for float, I can go for binary also. Next advantages of working with the HTTP session with the cookies. It allows specifying session idle timeout period. Idle timeout period means after specific period of time, I can invalidate. Fine. The next benefit to work with the HTTP session with the cookies, server can create and manage any number of sessions by creating any number of HTTP session objects. And the fifth advantage is, while working with this HTTP session, it gives full control to begin the session as well as to end the session. So a programmer have the rights to create the session and as well as have the full rights or full controls to end the session or to invalidate the sessions. So I can able to track. So through HTTP session listener, we can keep the track of various operations related to this session tracking. And this techniques works with all the Java based server-side technologies and servers. So these are the advantages of working with the HTTP session with the cookies. Let us see now what are the limitations or disadvantages of working with the HTTP session with the cookies. So while working with the HTTP session with the cookies, HTTP session objects allocates memory on the server and it may give the burden to the server because the memory is allocated on the server. So that may give the burden to the server also as a memory point of view. And the next disadvantages if you work with the HTTP session with the cookies. If cookies are restricted from the client window, if the cookies are restricted to coming to browser window or client window, if cookies are deleted by using Control-Shift-Delete from those various browsers in the middle of the session, then session tracking may fail. Okay, boss. So next the third disadvantage is to work with the HTTP session with the cookies. That is, to work with these techniques, our servlet program should be of type HTTP servlet, but not generic servlet. Okay, fine, boss. So these are the disadvantages to work with the HTTP session with the cookies. Okay, boss, fine. Now we shall see